Alright, let's check the Magnetron. Place your bets in the comments. Do you think it's going to be aluminum or beryllium? I'm really hoping it's aluminum. Let's go. Ah, god damn it. Some nice pink beryllium oxide. Thanks, Samsung. Next up on the chopping block is this absolutely beyond disgusting Samsung over-the-range microwave. Ooh, so fancy because it's way bigger and just uses a lot more space even though it really shouldn't. Ooh, wow, so fancy. Comes with this this is what the filter looks like. That's disgusting. How could you even live like that? And yes, it had beryllium, but I already took it out. That's this stupid thing. Now let's put it in ultra wide, you can see more. Honestly scared of it going toward me. Okay, I'm deaf. I am deaf now. So let's just break that glass in slow motion. Actually, I'm gonna break this glass outside. Trying to assault me? Oh, fine. Have it your way. Get that glass in slow motion. How cheap. I thought these higher end or not rangefinder. What I'm trying to say? Oh yeah. I thought these over the range microwaves were supposed to be really high quality since they're so expensive to retail. Just like almost any kitchen appliance ever, it loses its value as soon as it gets a little smudge. Fancy. Wow, look at the controls. Wow, Samsung. There's some metal in there at least. And this one just had the absolutely fancy blue display instead of the green one. Oh no, the exhaust fan. Oh no. It's messing up the carpet. Back in the shot. Take your stupid light bulb too. Yeah, Samsung microwave is done. Ready for the scrap collection.